Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today I'll be making these delicious rose-shaped desserts that are very famous in Turkey. For the syrup, combine 2.5 cups of granulated sugar with 600 ml of water and boil for 10 minutes. Then set aside to cool. In a bowl, gather and mix 125 grams of melted butter, 120 ml of vegetable oil, half a cup of plain yogurt, and half a cup of semolina. Add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and approximately 2 cups of all-purpose flour gradually while you are kneading. Roll out the dough and cut circles with the help of a small cup or glass. Line 3 of the circles side by side, overlapping each one over the previous circle. And then roll the circles up. Cut the roll in half. This will create 2 roses. Now place them on a parchment-lined oven tray. With these ingredients, I had 24 roses. Place hazelnuts in the middle of each rose. You can also use almonds if you wish. Bake for 30 minutes in an oven preheated at 160 degrees. Transfer the roses into a smaller serveware and pour the syrup. Delicious rose-shaped dessert is ready to serve. Enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching!